What is going on, guys? Malvados Garage back with another video. And before I always start, I would like to give a special thanks to you guys watching the videos and supporting us. We passed 300 subscribers, which is crazy to me that I would never think that we'd get this far. And something that I do want to let you guys know that's coming soon is I'm trying to kind of organize a little giveaway for you guys, because since you guys support us, I want to give back and in a way where you guys can be like, oh well, I got this from from us. And so just stay tuned for that. And if you guys are not following us on Instagram, make sure to follow us on Instagram. I'm gonna link somewhere, I think above here, the Instagram name. And yeah, so let's get started into today's video. So in today's video, we're gonna be installing some taillights, because I mean, since I already did headlights, I got the fog lights. I mean, I'm like, why not do the tail lights? I'm thinking about soon changing the third brake light too, but we'll see how I feel about after we finish everything. So right now, currently we got these on it, the stock ones obviously, and I just picked up the Alpharex, these type of headlights that they have on their website. And yeah, so I think it's a pretty simple install. So if you just lower the hood. There's just two T25 bolts, one right there. You just pull it out, install that one with the, I think I might need to use this, I'm not sure, but we're gonna get to it. And yeah, so if you guys wanna see the install and see how it looks afterwards, stay tuned. So here's what I'm gonna be using to install the lights. Like I said, I was wrong, it's a T20 little star bit that you're gonna need. I'm gonna be using an impact drill. And this is what comes in the box. I got the stock something harness that you can buy extra. I ordered this just in case I needed it. I don't think I'm gonna be needing it, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. And out of the box, you're gonna get, obviously the lights. So let's just move that out of the way. You get two lights, obviously. It comes with this one, around the little connections, and then down. And we got the other one down in here. So it's gonna start off with one side and then get to installing the other side. So I'm gonna point you guys towards the lights and then get to it. So first, I'm gonna be using this. Gonna remove the two, like I said. Pretty simple. I think this might be a shorter video, but try to put out content for you guys. So there's one. There's two. And then I think I saw in the video where you just kind of pull it because it's connected onto this head. So there you go. I feel like I always struggle with clips. So I'm back, got the flathead to see if I can take it off. Alright, so I managed to get it off of here, but I think I broke a little clip that it has right here. I don't know if you can see it, zoom in. Right here, there's a little, let me show it. This little clip broke off of there, and I don't know if it's crucial or not, but I'm just gonna roll with it because I took it off. I don't know if I can replace it. So now I'm just gonna figure out how to wire this. Oh, it is the one I need, I think. Oh, it is, I think. It is cool. All right, so this is what I needed. And now I think this. So I'm gonna cut back to when I figure out where everything goes. So when you get this harness, if you need this harness, there's basically gonna be a bulb already installed on this side and an empty little slot for this one. And this wire that's already on the light is gonna go in here. I think you might have to flip it to see if it works. So I'm just gonna put it in one way. I don't know if that's how it goes. I'm gonna put this in this other spot where it has right here, like a little seal. You're gonna kind of break that seal because that's where the little light's gonna be at. I think that's just so nothing gets in there. And then connect this light in there. And then this can go up here. All right, so I managed to get it in. It was kind of a little tricky because I don't know, it's just shaped kind of weird, the little tabs that it has for it to go in there. But you just have to play around with it a little bit. It's not that hard. You just kind of have to fidget with it, and then it'll finally slip in and just twist it. Now this connection that you get here is the one that it comes stock from the truck. As you see, the little prongs match up with the things that are inside here. So now the thing is, I'm gonna just pull a little bit on that. I don't want this really to hang, so I'm gonna just put it on my leg. slide it in and put that tab that locks in. I'm gonna put the table a little closer and turn on the truck to see if I installed everything correctly and make sure that everything turns on. All right, so I managed to finally get this to light up. My little brother's in the truck actually helping me out to see how it looks out here. But I realized that, okay David, put it in reverse. I realized that when it's in reverse, it kind of has this like yellowish light, which I don't really like. So I'm gonna go to AutoZone probably maybe later on in this video. And by the time you guys watch the final review at the end at night, how it looks, this is already gonna be installed with the new LEDs. So just stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be changing that. And yeah, let's get everything else installed and let's see how it looks all together. So now, just to replicate what we did in the beginning, you know, just reverse the process.
Yeah, that one looks way better.
It looks sick. Alright, now what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna replicate obviously everything that we just did on this side. We're gonna replicate it to the other side. So this is what it looks like. This is what it's gonna look like at night. Both sides are done now. I think the truck looks super sick. I mean, I think now for sure I'm gonna be ended up changing that light right. But for now, I think this is just the end of this video. I mean, stay tuned for the end of this video for the at night results of what this looks like at night. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I know this was like a shorter video because it just feels like a shorter video, but thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out and get ready for the at night review. Peace.